This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPhone 15 Pro runs iOS 18 or later, and that your Apple ID uses iCloud Plus. Once done, open Settings, go to Siri and search, and turn on Apple Intelligence. You must grant permission for apps and choose whether processing happens on device or in iCloud. This affects speed and privacy. Make sure background app refresh and microphone access are enabled so features respond instantly. This gets the core system ready so you can begin using generative summaries, inline suggestions, and context-aware replies. You access Apple Intelligence inside apps by long pressing text fields or tapping the Intelligence icon where suggested. For images, open the Camera or Photos app and use live text or visual lookup. Intelligence analyzes text and objects to draft replies or extract data. Once active, adjust tone, length, and objective, summarize emails, rewrite messages, or generate prompts. Make sure to review generated content before sending, because the system infers intent from context. Tailoring settings improves relevance and reduces the need for edits. You finish by integrating Apple Intelligence into shortcuts to automate recurring tasks like drafting replies or creating summaries. Once configured, test workflows and fine-tune permission levels to balance speed versus privacy, opting for on-device processing when possible. If something goes wrong, first force close the app, toggle Apple Intelligence off and on, and restart the phone. This often clears cached models. If issues persist, reset intelligence settings in Siri and search and re-grant permissions. Doing so usually restores correct behavior without affecting other data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.